Engaging with your LinkedIn community is not optional if you want to grow, and you know that, I think. Posting alone is not a strategy. It's just pushing content into the void. So you should think of it like fitness. Most people think they're doing great. Yeah, I show up, I do my reps, I'm consistent. But when you actually look at their data, the truth is kind of brutal. And with Taplio, we see that all the time. Most users, they're just doing maybe 2 to 5 comments per day, even less. And they feel like they're doing a lot. But in practice, they're basically just showing up, shouting something, and immediately walk away. And then they wonder why their posts don't take off, why they don't get traction, why their network doesn't grow, why nothing compounds. But here's the reality. If you want real growth on LinkedIn, the fastest as you can, you need more meaningful interaction. Not 5 comments, not 10. If you're serious, you're looking at 25 to 50 comments per day. Before that sounds crazy, let's break down why. So, first, let's talk about inbound versus outbound engagement. You can hit 25 to 50 comments in 2 ways. First, thanks to inbound. Reply to comments on your own posts. If people actually engage with you, nurtures that. People who interact with you once are much more likely to interact again. Then, you can use the outbound strategy, which is commenting on other creators' posts. This is your discovery engine, basically. It fills the gap when you don't have enough inbound activity yet. Most beginners should start with outbound because it puts them in front of audiences that are 10 times bigger than their own. And by the way, people who see you in the comments are much more likely to see your own content later. It's not because of a magic algorithm trick, but just because you actually become part of their mental network. You're always top of mind, basically. Secondly, you're not doing comments when you engage. You're actually doing micro posts. Every comment is its own piece of content. It's visible in other people's feed. It reaches new networks you don't control. It builds familiarity with your name and your ideas. And it creates direct relationships, something a like could never do. So just stop thinking commenting is support. Start thinking commenting is growth. Then produce more than you consume. Most people come to LinkedIn as consumers. They are scrollers, they are spectators. Producers, meaning people who actively build connection and conversation, are the ones who earn visibility, opportunities, relationships, and trust. If you want LinkedIn to work for you, then produce more than you consume. Start treating comments as a key part of your growth engine. More posts don't necessarily make you visible. More conversations do. And the fastest way to build anything, a brand, a career, a business, a network, is simple. Create, participate, contribute. That's how you win here. Now, 2 rules maybe before you start commenting more. First of all, don't do it just to please the algorithm. Pure volume, automation, spammy one-liners, this is not growth per se, it's just noise. You can use an AI to help you kickstart some of your comments, but your comments should either add insight, experience, personality, or ask a real question. Fast is good, but fake is useless, so keep that in mind. Then rule 2, track your engagement. If you don't track it, you'll get lost in the scroll. You'll spend an hour thinking you're working when you're actually just consuming. You can track manually, for sure, or you can use a tool built for this, like Taplio, for example, where you can see how much you actually engage, who you spend time interacting with, and whether engagement is translating into reach, profile visit, and growth. When you measure something, you improve it. So keep that in mind.